out here to Winchester, getting all this love from you guys. Most definitely appreciate it. Couldn't have done it without you. Support all my sponsors.
It's on the Facebook.
Melee, Policy Collections, Warrior T Energy, Positive Image Tattooing. Wherever y'all at, I'll be seeing you next week, Eric. MMA 315 Radio. My staff at the Fight Craft and Fight Club. My manager Jeff Anderson. Where Coach Jerome at? My Muay Thai coach. I've been here with him for 3 weeks, man. He's changed my style, my whole way of thinking.
Baby, good job.
And this was pretty much it, man. I did it for him and my dad. Where you at, Dad? I love you, man. And you push me in all the inspiration. He Xboxer, so you know I get tips and advice all throughout the night, 2 o'clock in the morning, phone calls. I mean, I couldn't have done it without the advice of everybody and the fans, man. I really appreciate it. Big shout out to Jason Harmon. He's a lot tougher than I anticipated. So wherever you at, man, you can come join and start sparring. We work on your game together, man. No disrespect. I love you. It was a good fight.
Good job, boy.
Man, if there's any sponsors I forgot, I'm gonna tell Ethic Fight Company. I mean, they looking out for me too. I appreciate it. And I mean, next step from here, man, might be going pro. So keep your eyes on me. Please become a fan at my website, www.charmcitybadboy.com. You can hit my Facebook, YouTube, everything from there. I appreciate all the love.
For the new OSF 155-pound champion,